Several senators slammed suspended Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo for questioning their continued call for her to appear before the Senate to answer the allegations against her. In a Facebook post, Guo said she is deeply concerned why Senators Risa Hontiveros and Sherwin Gatchalian seem fixated on her. She also urges the senators to focus on the country's pressing issues instead of continuously threatening her with the arrest of accusing her of being linked to the Philippine offshore gaming operator or POGO-related crimes. Hontiveros, who is also leading in the Senate investigation into Goa and illegal POGOs, criticizes Goa's frequent social media posts instead of attending the Senate inquiry.
Mayor Alice Guo o Guo Huaping, mas marami pa kayong post sa Facebook kaysa pag-attend sa Senate hearing. So, sadly for you, hindi katumbas ng attendance mo sa Senado ang mayat-maya mong pagsusocial media. Paano ka magkakaroon ng peace of mind kung palagi ka nalang iiwas sa mga tanong? Huwag kayong mag-alala, hindi kami fixated sa'yo. Allergic lang kami sa mga sinungaling.
For his part, Senate President Francis Cheese Escudero also calls out Guo, emphasizing that she is in no position to dictate senators on what to prioritize.
Wala sa lugar pagsabihan sino mang miyembro ng Senado kung ano ang prioridad sa isip nila at ano ang dapat nilang hindi maging prioridad. Siyempre, unawain natin, pagtatanggol niya palagi yung sarili niya. Pero hindi rin niya pwedeng ipersa yung kanyang personal na interes at kaisipan sa interes at kaisipan at pananaw ni numan, higit pa sa sino mang miyembro ng Senado.